How to turn sensitive content off on Twitter or X. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, launch your X application and get logged into your account. Now let's go ahead and access settings. For that, tap onto your profile on your top left. At the below section, expand settings and support, select settings and privacy. Here also you have to tap on this privacy and safety button. As you do so, tap on content you see at the third menu. Here tap on explore settings and you have to tap on transfer you under search settings and toggle hide sensitive content. Come back, tap on sensitive media and toggle it on to show all for all these options. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.